Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking the video link. I really appreciate it. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today, we're going to be reviewing 3 products. One product is the Meguiars Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This product states to do one wheel at a time. Rinse wheel thoroughly with water first. Then we spray, holding a bottle 8 inches away. Don't let it dry, let it sit for under 30 seconds. We should be able to rinse the tire off and it should be clean. Now, this is my Ford F-150. It's my work truck. And I haven't cleaned these wheels for a year. So let's just see if this product really works. And I highly doubt it, but let's just give it a try. Alright guys, as you can see, the Meguiars hot wheel or hot rim wheel cleaner didn't dissolve all the wheel brake grime and dust like it said it would, nor did I expect it to after being caked on for a year. My finger takes more off. Alright, so now we know how the product works. Probably needs to be agitated like all the others. Doesn't dissolve the grime and the dirt and the brake dust like the bottle claims. At least not on a work truck with the stuff packed on for over a year. So guys, let's go try the other product on the back wheel and we'll see how that does. Guys, so here we are testing the second product of this video. This is Black Magic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner. It says it easily removes brake dust, grease, and road grime without scrubbing. pH balanced for all wheels. The directions say to spray the Black Magic onto the wheel when the wheel's cold, hose it off with cool water, wipe away remaining brake dust and grime, and extremely severe scuffs may require agitation with brush or second application. For maximum shine, towel off any water that remains on the wheel after rinsing. So this doesn't say we have to spray the wheel down like the other product did. This product says just spray it on and let it go. So let's see what happens. Smells good though, I'll give it that. But hey, let's let it sit for 30 seconds and we'll hose it off and see what happens. Alright guys, well, as expected, the no scrub means scrub harder, and it didn't work. I don't even take anything off of the wheel. Do a little bit of a light here. I don't think it took anything off. So that's the Black Magic No Scrub means do scrub. They should change that N to a D because you have to scrub the shit out of your wheels. Now, I know you guys are gonna say, hey, it's not really designed for caked on wheels and brake dust. It's really designed for cars that are cleaned or pre-cleaned or detailed or quick clean, whatever you want to call it. I think the product should say what it does. It needs to do what it says it does, right? So after I'm done doing my third review on the next item, we will use it on my car, which has very light brake dust, and we'll see what it does there. And I already know it's not going to do anything, but we'll do it anyways just for the video. Alright guys, I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, for my third product review, I'm going to be reviewing the Chemical Guys Wheel Scrubber. This is available on Amazon along with the other 2 cleaners, which links will be in the description below. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the cleaner and we're going to use the scrubber. And let's just see how good the scrubber is at getting inside the holes on the truck, and we'll try it on my Z4. Alright guys, so let's give it a shot. All right, guys, so the spray with the Chemical Guys wheel brush worked pretty good. It worked okay. You know, if you wanted to get super detailed, it does require on this particular rim a rag just to detail it out, but definitely you can see the difference between what was on there and what's not, so that's good. All right, guys, well, let's use the scrub on the back wheel with the other cleaner with the Black Magic, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, now we're on the back wheel using the Chemical Guys scrubbing brush with the Black Magic no scrub all wheel cleaner. We're just gonna spray it on. I already know it's gonna clean it up very well. This brush is pretty good. Not sure about how it is in tight spots like on my M3, but those wheels are like a spoked wheel, a little bit tighter. I'm not sure how it will work, but let's give it a try on here. Let's do it. Not sure about this Black Magic no scrub wheel cleaner. I'm not sure if maybe my back ramps are just extra caked up. This product just isn't that great. There's still a lot of brake dust on here that the towel's taken off. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the Meguiars, spray it on, and see what that does. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back with the Meguiars wheel cleaner. We know where we cleaned here with the Black Magic. We're gonna clean it again with the Meguiars. Now, maybe the Black Magic loosen it up and it'll make it easier for this. I don't know, but I'm gonna spray a little bit. Give it a rinse. Well, it did take more of it off, and I'm not sure if just the the rag or whatever is just a little bit more abrasive. I'm not sure if it's the brush, but it definitely cleaned up some spots that the other cleaner didn't get off. All right, guys, well, there's my review. The Black Magic no scrub, the Meguiar's Hot Rims wheel cleaner, and the Chemical Guys stiff brush will all be in the links below. We go to Amazon and buy it. They are affiliate links, so it does help the channel. Quick wipe with the rag so you can kind of see how much brake dust is on the rim. There's a little bit. This is a daily, but it's not as caked on as the truck is. So let's go spray it down with the Meguiar. All right, guys, well, all right, let's see how it worked. I can tell you now, it didn't take anything off. Didn't take a goddamn thing off. As always, these wheel cleaners aren't holes, and it seems to go here in these slots pretty good. All right, guys, well, that does it for my review on these 3 items: the Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel Cleaner and the Black Magic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner, and the Chemical Guys, they call it the Chemical Guys Stiffy Brush in Blue. The brush is pretty good. It scrubbed off the caked on brake dust off my F-150 that's been not cleaned for a year. Scrubbed that off pretty well. Worked pretty good on the BMW and the holes, but nothing matches the detailed cleaning of a nice rag. So these items will be in the description below. Links on Amazon where you can buy them. They are affiliate links, so I do make a couple of coins if you buy something. I appreciate the like and sub if you like the video. If you'd like to see more videos, I'm going to try to come out with a video every couple weeks or so. All right, guys. Well, hope you all have a good day. I hope you all have a good 2021, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.